Good morning, children. Hope you all are safe and healthy. Today we will learn a lesson from Class 4 EVS. Children, if you want to go somewhere, you use different types of transport. If you want to go to a nearby place, you go by motorbike, by car, by jeep, by bicycle, or by mopeds. But if you want to go to a faraway place, then you go either by an aeroplane or by a train. So, today we will learn about a girl who went on a train journey to Kerala. Omna and a best friend Radha were very excited. Why? Because they had planned a journey by train to Kerala. But unfortunately, 2 days before the journey, Radha fell down from a bicycle and fractured her leg. Her leg was put in plaster, and the doctor advised her to take rest for 6 weeks. Hence, her family had to cancel their tickets. Both of them were very sad. So, Radha's mother requested Omna to write the experience of a journey in a diary and share it with Radha when she returns. Omna was going to her grandmother's house in Kerala with her parents, and this is the map of India, and Kerala is situated here. And this is the scenery from of Kerala: coconut trees, jackfruits, and paddy crops. Her father went to book the tickets. On the day of the journey, they reached the station and checked their names on the reservation counter. Her father had already booked the tickets a few days before, and on the day of the journey, they reached the station and checked the names in the reservation chart. This is the reservation chart, and they checked the names. Soon the train reached the platform. The coach was already full. The train had started early in the morning from Gandhidham in Kutch. After some time, the train reached the platform and it was full of people. The train had started from Gandhidham in Kutch. This is Kutch district, and this is Gandhidham, a small place in Kutch district. There was a lot of rush in the station. People were getting off, and others were pushing and trying to put their luggage inside, all from one door. People were trying to get into the train without making a queue. They were pushing each other and trying to get inside along with their luggage, and that too all through one door. With great difficulty, Omna and her family got inside the compartment. They found the seats and put their luggage under the seats. After some time, the ticket collector came and checked the tickets to see whether they were sitting in their proper seats. After they got into the compartment, they got the seats and kept the luggage under a seats. Then after some time, the ticket collector came. That you can identify him by his black coat and a steel badge. He came and checked the tickets and to see if the people are sitting in the proper seats. Amma and Appa had the lower berth, Omna and Unni had the middle berth, and two college students had the upper berth. Then Amma opened the tiffin box. She had packed dokla with chutney, lemon rice, and some mithai. Omna's mouth was watering. Then, after they sat on the seats, they were feeling very hungry. So, Amma opened the tiffin box and she had brought dokla with chutney. This is a famous dish of Gujarat. And some lemon rice and mithai. Lemon rice is a famous dish in Tamil Nadu. Foods which are famous in different states. This is biryani, famous dish of Hyderabad. This is Bihar's litti chokha, Punjab's makke ki roti, Rajasthan's dal bati, vada pav of Maharashtra, and doi mach of West Bengal. These are some of the foods which are famous in different states. After lunch, some people slept, but Omna kept looking out of the window. She saw many fields which were dry. After having lunch, many of the people went to sleep, but Omna was not feeling sleepy, so she sat near the window and kept looking outside. She saw many fields which were very dry. She even saw some small villages. These are huts. People live in huts in small villages. The sun was slowly setting and the sky had turned orange. It was evening and the sun was setting, and the color of the sky had also changed. It was orange in color. The train stopped for almost 2 minutes in Valsad station. After some time, the train reached Valsad station. It is also a place in Gujarat, and it stopped there for only 2 minutes. There was so much noise in the station. People were screaming chai garam, chai, batata vada, puri shak, doodh, thanda doodh. People were selling and buying food on the platform. Omna's parents quickly bought some bananas and chikus through the window. There was a lot of noise in the station, and people were trying to sell some food items, and others were trying to buy the food on the platform. So as you can see that some shouting chai garam, batata vada, puri shak, doodh, and they were buying, and Omna's parents bought only some fruits, that is bananas and chikus. They did not get down in the platform. Things sold in railway station. These are some of the things which are sold in railway station. Tea, coffee, Amul products, ice creams, meals, water bottles, biscuits, samosas, fruits, ice cream, books, chips. One thing you must keep in mind while traveling is never buy food which are kept uncovered, especially fried items. Fruits are the best things to buy. Omna made friends with the family sitting on the other berth. Their names were Sunil and Anne. They were going to their grandmother's house in Kozhikode. Then Omna saw some people sitting in the next berth. She went and made friends with them. Their names were Sunil and Anne. They were also going to their grandmother's house in Kozhikode. This is also a place in Kerala. It is pronounced as Kozhikode. Okay, this is written in Malayalam. Sunil gave Omna some books to read. Children, do you read books? I know. Nowadays you are busy watching cartoons and playing games on the mobile. But you must make it a point to read books also, because they give us knowledge. When Omna had gone to brush her teeth, there was no water in the bathroom. Somebody told that it will only be filled in the next station. In the evening, before going to bed, Omna went to the washroom to brush her teeth, but there was no water. Can you tell me the reason? Yes, people might have wasted it, but one should know that water is very precious. It is a famous saying that jal hai to kal hai. So whenever you see any tap water flowing, you should close it. Now we will learn about the helpers at the railway station. Porter. We call them coolie also. He helps people to carry their luggage, because luggage is very heavy. So The coolie carries our luggage. Ticket seller sells the ticket. We buy ticket from the ticket seller at the platform. Driver. He runs and controls the train. He sits in the engine and controls the train and when it runs. Ticket collector. He checks the ticket of the passengers. We have already learned about the ticket collector. He wears a black coat and he checks the ticket of the passengers to see whether they are sitting in their proper places or not. Police provide security. The railway police provide security to the people who are traveling. Guard. A guard signals the train to start. Here you can see a green colored flag in his hand. This shows the train is ready to start. Cleaner. He cleans the train and platform. So cleaner, he cleans the washroom also and he cleans the railway track near the station. So children, we should never use washrooms at railway stations. Thank you children. Hope you have understood the lesson.